Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the ingredients of a particular recipe to your shopping list on the SmartThings application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the live button down below, which is the third option, and then click on cooking. Select the recipe that you would like to make. Here you have the ingredients. Scroll down, and below the ingredients you can find the send to shopping list button. Tap on it, and as you can see, you should select the items first that you want to add to your shopping list. So tap on these circles, and when a check mark icon appears, it means that it has been selected. So tap on send to shopping list, and the selected ingredients will be added to your shopping list. Tap on go to the list, and here you have your shopping list. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.